Let me show you guys how you can earn extra $85,000 in a week in this application. And I have made a video about this app months back, and I want to do it again. So just to remind you that this application is a very good app and they give bonus. You will know there are some applications that you just collect the minimum normal amount you're supposed to collect when you hit your target, but this one, once you hit your target, you are going to get an extra bonus, and especially the one of 50,000 points. Once you hit 50,000 points, you are going to get $45 extra, and that 50,000 points, the worth is $40, so we are going to get a bonus of $45. That is $85 in a week. So let me show you how. Then you click on your profile and click on your points. Once you click on your point, it will bring you to this place. So these are the places that you are going to see your point, but you have a particular time and hours that you will need to get your bonus. You must complete your hours. In a week, you must complete 10 hours, and in 5 days, 10 hours, 5 days in a week for you to get the bonus. If you don't complete the hours and the days, the bonus is not for you, so you must complete your hours. So this is it. Once you get 5,000, you are going to get $2 extra, 6,000, $3 extra, down to 50,000. You can see the 50,000 is equivalent to $40, but you are going to get extra $45. That is $85 in a week, and you can withdraw every day. Once you reach your target, that same day you withdraw. So as you can see, hosts can apply for withdrawal every day, and you can get it by Friday if you place your withdrawal on Monday. So this is how it works. Let me show you how you are going to bind the family code. Is very important. You're going to bind your family code. You're going to verify your account as well. So let me show you how to verify your account. Click on verification, then bind. This is where you bind your family code. Upload your picture, your WhatsApp number and Telegram. If you're enjoying the video so far, click the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Watch this video to the end though, so you don't miss anything. Now if you want to go live, this is where you click at the middle of the button. Then if you want solo live, you click on the first one. Then this particular one is matching, but well, if you choose to, this is more like a matching, and this is what you're going to earn 5,000 in a minute if someone connects to you. And then you can stay here as long as you want. And also you also click on start live. That is when you are the only one on live, but this multi-bin, you are not yet qualified for it, so you shouldn't bother. So where you should be focusing on is start live or start one-on-one. So I will recommend you start solo live so you can make friends, and once your page is popular, then you can be doing one-on-one.